Yes, upon say also I share such a beautiful story. Eddie Amaya and pay will begin on Adum TV. So brother said in Pension move on Pepe. YPJ mu I say. But quick one from my good self and Nanaya Brefo to Philip Yesuto Avoy. And your birthday. Happy birthday, Srunku Enko Emfa Emam. And Jonas and so yeah, cameraman, my name is sister, say who can you say ni schoolmate to open a year Jonas Crassi Spring Road Papa na ba ku na ka hono Spring Road Papa with the phone numbers we 055-8870-703 and 057-3677-900. Which I say open Spring Road Papa and I say open pastries wedding party gathering biana. O fresh our number 055-8870-703 and 057-3677-900. Obabo am waiting me enya bibia kama. Well, Dr. Kwatna Sisanso Meka say Director in charge of Special Duties, NDC, Deputy Director, Onoso Atase, Ira Eye Kojo Edwasari. Oh, Akwaba. What are the nefe? Oh. In Nigeria, na Turkey, na Dubai, need a family. Which one is it?
Madame Fubi.
Ghana, ni.
My schoolmate.
Wow.
Well, those days, a friend of middle school.
Yeah. Ono Pami.
Osman or Medina.
But you do made in Ghana top and made in Ghana shoes. Why? When you pass on your shoes, you have
Atros.
Atros. Yeah. Oh, you've done well. I have to introduce Dr. Ku. What's not saying Dr. Ku? I can't say Masa postpone.
Opposition now shoe come out.
Oh, are they?
We're Ghana in a
tell what pound. Where
you made in Ghana?
Ghana, ni ono from Titina.
By Ghana, the outside come.
Net born so that Boko.
Who say about was your by Obi say what we qualify crown 1D1F.
We Yamano a friend saying yes. A supporter no the BA company name.
Yes, I am a shop. But I buy we bet my factory through 1D1F.
Okay.
No sir, or approach here. I am a woman now.
Or trying
or approach here.
In the future. Everything is in the future.
Because
4 months to election.
The see to have for Nick Casa. Chese Casa Pecuca or Jimmy. Now should come and say on buy. You do moment
Atros and to them
Atros.
Moment go free share.
Hello, only said we wait.
Yeah, government spokesman.
I mean Buano. Yeah, Buani pa na come.
Dr. What in Nabu sounds? Nabu sounds.
Some of them view one
three. Kranika said Nabu sounds out there. Oh, to read the Bob Bass, Bob Treble, Bob Tenor.
Dev Jam review one three. Sky House.
We say what we do no bought trumpet.
Nabu sounds.
What the bought trumpet, what the ball gun. A BIB one no
Okay. What postpone?
For one catch up.
The manifest.
What
31st?
Oh.
I don't mean the to okay. Postponement one or twice because mania intelligence or person postpone you. Intina
when your intelligence is free.
No, you confirm.
No, maybe some intelligence from where? What you want now be so much die.
Postponement one and not twice.
Me say, these people, why you move manifesto? Okay, sell it, market it. What is your beef?
No, can afford want to know why you want to come to power.
That should not be a problem.
For the citizens,
see a kind. Yes, I to see what can see.
Yes.
Oh, my.
The now uncle. Who the uncle saying law now you judge. What Jatum say what to see or
Why not to see?
Farmer. If you want to see, what to see or so what to see for 2 Mikako.
That's all.
Unim the Ekoso. Me busu for Bisam say doctor. All the MPP no. Yen na problem. But the say who the NDC person on here.
Who be bisa who say in the last 1 week or 2 since this manifesto.
Yeah.
Ubisa Ghana for say what are the 5 key programs of this manifesto? Ubisa producers, cameramen, none of them can give you 5. Me NDC right now.
Okada.
Let me more than 5.
Okada.
That's one. TVET kahon.
TVET is almost a show for more.
Why are they for
more than because already know.
It's already
it's already been implemented.
It's funded.
Please. That's a joke.
No. And the education is
but that's true. TVET is being funded.
Please.
It's already under free SHS.
They say there are litany. TVET, healthcare.
Cheap compounds free, malaria free, TOA free.
Free healthcare. Cheap compound. Health centers.
Specifically, so why?
Cheap compound, health centers, polyclinics, and district hospitals.
Specifically,
yes, up to 4.
Specifically, malaria.
Please. Please. The details will be spelled out in our policy program. Mama, the list up to what level are. So the call. Beyond that level, yes, there will be referrals and all those other.
But the normal
that's what has been dealt with. The big push is there. I know you see at the 10 billion by infrastructure.
When you're careful with Musa,
and yes, I Kasaka, you need so I can. But no, I would say Asante youth. Almost conference, Ashanti region projects, almost boy and the infrastructure. Baby, almost say MPP formula. Now, almost so far, version of Ashanti. You can't say projects
and infrastructure.
Or an infrastructure. My year almost formal list. Embra.
Maybe a corner so mining put to be a problem.
Are they?
See, I say, you better say Krobia and our region piano. Because what could you make a year Washington Mountain? If you how we, if you how when we, except for Tassa by our Twasso. Who are Juma ye now when we are near Dimuma, Sir Cruono, except by the Twasso, Sabbat to some ferry. You jet project, Kissamo Sevi, except by the Twasso. A Mumunuma, Bessas are buying to us
be initiative. O shebi bi ase a say wo trimu po bi de ma tie wo trimu po bi de ma
ni nyina si wo se mo ye nyoma ese fata makoro bi a na abromi bi a enkyere se me bedi ehene a se de wo wa ye no bi twaso se ne
obi anka se twaso ya ne se wo so trimu po a wo no na wa be da na edi. That's what you do.
Okay,
be da wo de no so edi because wo ba ye no wo de bibi na o de besre say motoma me a me say na ma what you say na to wa ba na onye sa na ema na they should be able to call you to order. That is what they are asking. What you say omo market issues, omo nsuo issues, omo adan issues, omo other facilities issues. O ba emu ni ehin and na what was your initiative to even bring development their way? Okay. Those are the issues we are talking about.
Okay. So
what the manifesto about? That manifesto, no, in the last 2 weeks, it's not even say Abuano 2 and some you can't say fly, you can't say.
Two I don't know. Oh, boy, what happened?
Say like who say you have
to or two.
What you say? I don't know intimate pejanimu. Na can pese etu.
No one peja omu dey won do.
And I can I hear that way.
E jobu peja omu.
5 Bissau producers they should name you 5 items from this year. Ufu say are sticky. Ours has not come, but I've given you litany of them. And I can continue if you want me to. What I say, we are not here, but at least there are key ones.
What's the free port over?
You can't business small scale for taxes are you better so I'm more
careful now.
Careful as who the sika crofo we did in omudia service niema and send fata. So you see the yes a year President Mahama Bodi a be ya me biaka ya the investment am yi chi.
The usual question will be there for that. The more nyoma papa say na mo mfie mo twumo ntima na the gentry.
E den na ntimi ana na di. Ghana for na no mo fu say bibi papa bi wo baby a eba
esan sem bi ani pe bi kan
exactly bibi papa bi ba e be bro say bibi papa no na da ye nyina ye nim a ye hwa ene ye gold ya ton bauxite ya ton
we da ko kasi ya ton ye gold
o say
we da kasi ya ton ye gold
na Japan say we wunti
na ye da na o si akoton ye gold ya ton ama wan a former member of parliament, a presidential staffer, a great politician,
yes,
a business tycoon.
Yes, Obi baby awa Obi baby awa when you gidi say patapa kron we so what the down nine bounce kakra no Obi say sadly we Mrs. Sadi na ko jiska preko ade wo ye busu apan na ye de
na so kan hihye no
hihye ben
Ghana dia enye obi dia
na Ghana no ye ebusuandi bi dia
na hihye na ko ma
na grafo abopo mo kwa bu Ghana po enye ekuo bi. This is a group of people from a certain part of this country.
Say ni peku akoma se.
Omo ayo mo adwin say Ghana bibia say yi bia ye di bauxite ekọ Esla ekọ your friend said get fund ekọ we so e be di achi
ekọ hu de ye de ye
ekọ e na wan hu tell me ni awan hu say this ka bibia ye no
ekọ hu de ye
say ni awan hu say this ka bibia ye
no eka ni be ho aye ntoa so
uja to Esla sika tre ye ni aye bia ye
sensemi eka ni be ho aye ntoa so ye toa so ma
Esla sika de tre bi adwuma ye dia ye
na ya na refi say wo su jaka wa chire
e just ka wo enfa
asa wo refi say wo betena konwa no so na ye fie wura no o ko no na light bay no wo je bia tum na pipe ni ba bi ho pipe se so
ti ye nhihye a e be nhihye a ye di betua sa aka no iti na Esla no ye say
busia ni bi wo akotwitwa ye okogye ye nso a na ye twame ne busia nsimu na wo ho no na mu ahomte nti na say iti se tane ma wo nyina me ba so wo ye fie wura na se wo gya wachi na se uja ni ye no o ka papa nko na oyi o me ya no ni sinto ni
oja bosia ojaka sorry ojaka eto homa in there but o hwe e car said na me ya adom na president mama be ye ba ban mu 7th January a car president Akufo-Addo be ja to Ghana so no e bi si Ghana ha be bi ada
okay mate mesa about so but the Caribbean nim say postponement abem.
So no na can answer. NPP
di on no. Free ho. Won na be boa me because one way ya. Na koto abonti say yes yes postpone. The Caribbean nim.
Me ti ha say me can say you postpone.
No mpacho.
Na say wo a wo ye NPP ni. In the first place. Ukuta o manifesto. Wo ton ayen. Na wo ja e no ton chen na ba be kan manifesto me nya launching one asem. It's your beef. Me way and me person me twitwim. Okay. Because for as long as we haven't even put out our manifesto, it should inure to your benefit so you can market yours. Because nobody will want to do anything with yours. What I said? Okay. Because that's why everybody seems to be waiting. Because they are not back. So they can't even discuss it. Bible. Message near 5 pair was out here with my okay.
Na say me say Cape Coast. And they the airport but now nya we.
Me say 5.
I feel school for so student loan hu sem guarantor sem no. So me see a traffic dualization. Ewo Kaswa Central with Kwa no. So me say no so kan ho. Unu me say en nsu no nhihye ba ko mo sa de ba. And so mo sa peja infrastructure mo. E ma sa interchanges no. Na ade no ade o mo kra tem na me ka kire wu.
Udidi.
O se unyi ni no different from there. Dr. Ko ha obato ko no
waka for
hospitals ahodo nso a mo so mo be sisi ni na no e ka ho so what is it mo asa o ka say kana ya discuss say school for guarantor say me ya twa fi say no kure ne say o mo bitu sa na mo na ye di adanse ama school for bi no enei eguso twe abo so ya discuss say aban betima tu sa na mo no say obi ankoye adansefo ansa no akonya school for sika nketinketi o mo gina ni so ade hu no papa Yegusu chi dare
ya dance no na unko gina
yegusu chi dare
dance yourself
yegusu chi dare say Cape Coast no mo so mo de port ko no ebi si da bi enye papa ebi si ane papa ebi nim kra akodu say Ghana region nsi nyina no ehu be hia say nke edi wi mhyen bia ebe de ebe ko sankomo no egusu ayedi ene omo hu se yaresa bia omo se mo yebi esi nto da so ya yaresa bia mu omo tre mu die ni ma sa de omo so die bia be den abeka ho nti nkom no do so ka so akwan omo so mbo dualization omo de hu nhihye ato obeti mate se
mo ya ji government spokesperson from Gaza mi senior brother adversary mi chane papa na asida na edi manyankopon se anopa nyina ye wonkwemu mami nchia mi mami bida na sipa chief of staff honorable Freeman opare ene juma pa oye omayeni nyankopon na mi dana sibiom se nipa na na edu Akufo-Addo edi no kwa compete no sebi onye hoho
owa pe mu pe
omayeni oye waye nipa waye vice president for 4+ years awasaye president for another 4 years. Wawa Baimu for 8 years. Oye number 1 and number 2. The 2 topmost positions in this country for 8 good years. Immediately, Wawa Baimu for 8 years. How do you be Wawa Baimu for 3.5 years? Eko competition. Uni bibi. Enye mu kasa na nkrofo show. Yehwe mu ni ye. Die waye da. Eni die obi ye ne. Na uni ye kasa che o kasa. Enche ena ba ko say me ba and what's akwara bia oko secondary school, whether it is vocational, technical, or the conventional or the normal SS. There's no way you should pay fees. But I could say train you see the answer. Now one of the Omo ministers said you be 20-something years and son a free education. But I could say you buy a bit my Oma yini Nyankopon adaruma ena edwumadin ena ya kasa yi. Nkoro mu nyina omo wo that level. Omo fees being paid by government. Yet just a PT taranyina PT physical education. Physical education. Oh yes. Or even to that level. Now nipa na okita to me. I was here di free hweniye emboa no. To me free ni nsem no. Osi mema o TV free. When I catch you say butaye or the yenu say ewo e na odwun opetumi. The best time to show say e nipa no hu na odwin na nya tumi a wo pe time a okita tumi o si buaye na ma free education ene o si be free na obi a wakasa da say adi enya papa aya na so be ye no hina na ka je say wunti na odwin tumi na ope o man primary health care enche o Nyankopon fa ne kra say Professor Mills time mo opposition mo ba no o mo si health insurance cry ko for the buy na every year Ghana for to na mo ba one time utua hwim untua biom hospital free and uncomfort catch them say massa you can insurance and say and insurance must be sustained with some payment so the let me oh you nim quite be fast no more you calculation time am opposition am see petrol betting about form no am use board no calculating na price na about form am I need to me more no am ko na uncomfort catch them say yepa mo cho mo de bon komo bi o see free am see munya abotai ejuma munya abotai 8 years you can no mo see no de infant
insurance premium
yes insurance people no bia yama to me for 8 years. I was share a bo. Say, oh my entire health insurance. Ah, buy no one council crown patch or say move and chemi. And then what buy a catcher say health center, district hospital, polyclinics, nina free.
Oh my hey,
malaria. Primary, you see primary health care. I say basic education. Only say complicated malaria. Akwara or what malaria. Say complicated. Ultimate ICU for 1 to 2 weeks.
Malaria.
Yes, complicated malaria. Yeah, our friend basic, you know, a for complication bar. Ultimate Jew see kind of resources. Change even Sebi we call fiber operation. Now, the point I want to make is that Sa Kasa Nunsu, just like TVET, and ya Kasa because Uganda no, I'm free say Obra Mujunho. President Mama di to me. Now the aim then he say Ghana ni otie no. Sebi o brofo baka say joy mo na mo ka o ye discerning je say
na adwene mo do
oh man na nye Ghana for na this vote say hey mama nkosa line na ye deny no mo vote ye person ye deny mo voting because you are not using the previous voter ID card millions will be denied ye go to aba no ho ye omo ko din ko san mo line
that's responsible
oh tie da bi kan
responsible
see utie NDC a wadwin be ye wo say sebi o nkrofo over 1 million. And Kabana was saying you be about to say me mantimi am register because me ni Jimmy old ID card. Ghanaians went there. Na Nyankopon we won. Utumu say Ghana ni na dwemu do. Not even one Ghanaian was reported So the old card call you the ntokwa. Kodin edim raso enya ne card. Point am here ni say the omo candidate democracy te be diatie. Na nipa no abontie no. Anopa mi dware na me say onam mi dware na me say Yankopon sia na Akufo-Addo. Insure o man we mu kwase say insure nyina ye free. Because of we are not in normal times. And I'm a cadre. And yet competence and yet competence and Emma aban due to the sense of you because of difficulties ni challenges abanti me man so free e compassion aban over tima omai na ye kan ye say o ejapa e na ebusuafo na ma na o ye responsible position na government sisa aban niama e de ma ne busuan o tira o kasa wa ha omai ni say Akufo-Addo e no your opposition leader nana Anka na Gina Court, Supreme Court are making cases, and can you reverse the procedure? If we were GDA, say we need the Oka, then yes, say na mudi say nipa, and Oka Nyakubo mani yejuma, Ghana for Jumu does and American. Anka by now you should be in court. Why a press conference? And this is we are going to tell international bodies, don't come and buy don't get yourself involved if they list this. Sure, Suban way, Adia, Edis Kabebo or mine, Ediama or my according. Uzu kwa brochi yako kase yedi about power yemfanye juma. Now for the next 20 years so one power chese no say we say Ghana a court and a place you bet ma free asem na di asem no. Omani the first government me kaya stand to be corrected. Was securitize ska influence. Yes securitize wafa why use road fund NDC omudi road ska was road fund no. Omudi ko jiska I don't want to mention the bank at an unusually high interest rate. Omayini sika bia eba na fedi party ni na makwadi sika ni na
botai o mko GNA papa
go na ye securitize botai ni yeboni. So the point I'm making is omayini me media ni simple me Ghana ho na me dwen se na Akufo-Addo super Ghana no opposition wadwen ye wo say ade nya e bia nya boni ba fa kwan paso eko bisa nchechemu say the court brofo friend neutral arbiter either a court an agency or mo hwese na no mo ka say aban yen kai o man we mu say there was state institutions courts I catch them say go back and stop reverse what you have done. Electoral Commission is a classic example. Afenyo Mankin and Opa Michao, they took decision. Afenyo went to Supreme Court. The court told the Electoral Commission go back. Who told you you have to go by the law? It's the same way. If the finance minister is not above the law, if we free say why be bonia, but I say your friend company assassin and son of Japan and I was assassin radio and assassin now we kasa. We kasa.
Dream. Men twin chilies akike. Men twin chilies akike.
Unya vidia sa.
Men twin chilies akike.
Unya vidia sa.
Me young conclusion. You be conclude.
So Shema Ruba. Oh Shema Ruba. Fatina
Kasi atrayo.
Oh Shema Ruba.
Young guys but a hard interest say. Yes. And no young so hu bia and they didn't come bebre ni nyina ba. Young call the detail aspect because say offer contract na. The inti America say enton twene sa akeke. And be painti aboaserewa. Biribia da oje ne ba. Na ni tete ho sa. Ko wanya careful. For the 6 better than 9.
O man ni say wo de wo ye media manager. Into be mu na ma jam. Now, tie de be kan no. Me can be say opposition adwin and say there's a problem. No, me can say yes. But your platforms are resolve the matter. Yen nyina pe Ghana yi. Say what dream you say adinya. Men choose route sebi edifali obi din na wakoda. Say na omuka say birth certificate dia correct engineer court judges chemu no. Yen nyina hu ye smoothness level. Sebi enye de bia na MPP akokota why victorious. Sometimes the ruling goes against us. Sana yedi si
please, but you know that.
But
you know.
And I took about time no. They do
which means that what are you suggesting?
Simple answer.
Say you see ye manifesto. When I made conclude now abem. And then bibia usori na wayo. It takes a lot of thinking. A lot of organization. Just I was saying, it takes competence as well. Everyone is saying, "Oh, I fear bemu. Ah, utile fear. Ye kita the machinery of state. Ah, anopa ye sorry ye jumanema. Sebi udie. Sebi yo. Oh, Ghana force jiwa humi. Ah, all the time at your disposal. for 3.5+ years manifesto obe launchi opposition member there una also uji to me anka by now odi wo there odi ji to me the ideas no up and them so the Ghana for say oh nkofo mo is serious what now sama nipa okita to me na oye ejuma no onwa the manifesto aba ama odi na also be launchi no o see here man 7 more days now if putting a manifesto together you need postponement. Yeri tumi show sema. Oh nyabote.
I beg you.
Yeri tumi show sema. Then obey omayini. Na oni omayini. Eh person me fan we ni say.
But check 2016. I think the NPP.
No, I don't. Omayini, this is peripheral. I don't want to discuss this thing.
There behind a record.
You're peripheral.
There is 2016 NPP say October. There was some few months to the
Omayini, I don't want to
election.
know. You see, we are peripheral. I don't want to dwell on this.
Omayini, just 1 second. 10 seconds.
Just this.
Because I'm not answer no.
Mark offer 150.
Okay.
Mark offer 150 as well. Say me maame ne me se wa me offer. If you am no ne ba. Bo de hwehwe bi ego $150. You want me to?
Omayini.
You want me to?
Omayini, mame ma only enura de esi ye. Onim de esi enura. Eneda KLM flight bi ba Ghana. Na ye flight special flights na eba before the opening of the airport. Omo ye share that. In share no mo ye ne ye. We akoda hotel for 2 weeks. Every passenger on the flight had paid for 2 weeks of hotel bills. If even you are taking even 50, say about $50 for a hotel bill, you are talking about close to $800 or $900 for the 2 weeks. Everyone had paid to come here. Now, some of them had a negative PCR, although not any requirement idea to her. I feel idea about only some airport. No, about 6 passengers said because they have a negative PCR test, although they are all exempted from the testing idea tour, and they are supposed to go to a hotel for 2 weeks, which is our arrangement before this one. They are offered to pay the $150, 6 passengers, to get a test so that they can go home. You know why? If you want to cost 2 weeks. He's a businessman of just sleeping in a hotel and watching TV.
Okay.
Sikano sebi abnormal. So point at me and he say, Mumfan Chemi, I'll use the word fair price. As a Ghanaian and sebi, as me in case I'm a socialist, but be a me dream or more mundi bunu. Me nyan crank and can test me $2 and not $3. Mani pacho what I say.
Yeah.
It should be the lowest. That's my position. But here you are, where you have 2 requirements. There are 2 things we need in any solutions provider. The first one is on my tester, the sensitivity is 100%. Say besides you don't see absolute. So in fact it's 99%. Sensitivity I say obi ba no virus now. Enko say nipa no be fem I want to be picky virus. Rapid test, yeah. Be bring cover be there say yen starting use no. And no sensitivity is from 6% to about 60% depending on the type. Yes. Oh, but they were all tested by FDA and Okuchi. In Ghana here, some were 6%. So it is a Europe complaints say some of the rapid tests will say no. So the testing that is happening at the airport now is not an antibody or rapid test. It's an antigen test. You see antigen they identify the virus. The virus
more efficient.
No, in fact, it is more reliable, like you are saying. Obikoye antibody tester. The only thing it tells you is that nipa no wanya virus nida. But time I buy airport, you can't even tell whether I have the virus.
You see, when you are cost to BBA, you must explain what the build-up of that cost is. Okay. Number 2, whom are you charging this to? What you say? Why more and are targeted to pay that amount? What is the capacity of such persons
in paying that amount?
Because, Master, we are talking about a pandemic that people have suffered out of. A month for you must say, a month for the opportunity to continue to work. Yatiti almost salaries so. And we are aware, these are our own compatriots who speak to us every day if we are brutal. So, it is a target, Sabi, Obronibia. Oba Ghana na onim ni endia ode oba beye wo am obi oba beye ni business bi what you say the businessman's category you cannot compare that same businessman to a regular Ghanaian visitor ebia for some time wakwa akwantuo mu na wako tuatua hotel bills ahodoɔ na wako through all that
no money categorization no flat.
That's what I'm saying. See, for me, I think the thinking behind this whole thing is flawed. What you say? The thinking that went into that determined.
So you are suggesting that 150 could be there?
Yes.
But there are other category of people.
Because people, for the past 6 months, people are living in deplorable conditions. I'm out for place because the hotel.
Social bankers.
They went as a business and I said, they had to look for people to patch with. And then they are coming down to their country and you are slapping them. Some of them, hotel, tickets, crown are expired. So they have to buy one-way ticket back and all of that. You are not considering all of this and you just flat rate. And you can tell. I'll say other countries are taking bigger or higher amounts. There are others who are also taking lower. You didn't quote them. Do you understand? As low as $30 in Egypt. So you cannot just use the higher you to create a mark and assume, say, it should be okay. For me, I think that this whole idea must be looked at properly. They should properly categorize the visitors that are coming in.
There should be categorization.
Yes.
Sebi, the quick one is, depending on the tester country, the price can be very cheap. In fact, if we had done antibody testing here, the rapid one, I would not be surprised if we charge even $20 or $25. But the situation now, exactly. Antibody test can let a lot of people with the virus sleep in. We have taken the one that is stringent and very rigid in terms of picking the virus with efficiency. It is a PCR, and that is why we end up paying this amount. But it deserves discussion. Say, Nippon Ghana near. Only the Okita Ghana passport. Maybe we can, as a state, we can see how
it should be properly looked at. You don't just have that one size fits all.
Okay, so all what I said, but leadership of service, protecting our progress, transforming Ghana for all. People's Manifesto on the 7th. That is Monday, coming Monday.
Yes.
Monja baby, you're keeping it to your chest.
Oh, yeah, don't worry. For me, I think, sir.
It should let you people be proud to say. More opposition you
see, that is the attraction. That is the attraction. You see, when you have a drab government in place. Not the who be and who so.
All about what I take this over.
What I say, there is nothing flying.
Okay.
Apart from DNA, Anyanko Samne and Danfo Samne.
Manifesto.
Deputy Minister that say. Malaria no dey almost be free of charge.
Na busy.
On what advances say you're complicated
malaria.
Oi. Say me channel. Say kwana wa fasne.
Malaria mi no
Okada
Uti say malaria kun obi.
Malaria is dangerous.
Malaria no.
So confirm 3x4 malaria.
Malaria bia na ewe.
What the malaria bia ba ye be hwe.
Okay. Even the complicated
ye be hwe.
The +3 malaria.
Malaria kwa ye be hwe.
Okay, so Dr. Go, Kolebu, what can say moto accidents waba?
Oh, in fact, doctors now no I can say looking on say based on nyama isino yet me use the informed policy. Now, omu say accident eba emergency trauma unit no. Now Okada na me maka say sebi o man ni as for the Okada discussion enye discussion asem hu. The only problem ewo hu sebi o ye papa na all can say yen legalize because otna mranu for 4 years na emfa no. And opposition to 3.5 years emfa no. Na Joshua Labi na kanka meka say omunya butai na oyobroni ofri nungwa anti na mama de odi atina che wanya wo hwi endi Okada guys na say papa we me kai azem na wo
yetna
that's it everything
I mean yetna ha kakra yi wa Bob Muhammadin be 17 times so far
12 and 17
meanwhile ono an president Oboni di back.
Yeah,
Oh,
they see.
say-
Nana,
say
Yeah,
Nisuri-
there will be
Nisuri
the-
Mama
Who has
Kasa.
been sold here?
Nisuri
Tell me.
Ribai.
Yeah, there will be a
No, who have
But you can be sold.
who has been
You can
sold?
be sold
Junior.
positively.
No, you tell me.
Mama,
Who has been sold?
Mama, you can be sold positively. Oh,